In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce a song in Studio One. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, after your song is ready to bounce, you want to go and click on Session, top left, and then from here, you want to click on Export Mixdown. This is essentially going to do the same thing as if you press Ctrl and E on your keyboard, and it's going to open this up, which is called the Export Mixdown window. In here, you want to set the location where you want to save or bounce your song. And then here you want to select your file name and you want to select if you want to publish or not. And here you want to select which type of file you want, or of course you could also get multiple. So I'm just going to go with the WAV file over here. You could also click on multiple and all of them are going to be exported, okay? You can of course select the resolution and sample rate for all of them, and some of them are going to offer different things as well. Like this one offers compression. This one over here offers additional options as well, like quality, bitrate, stuff like that. So it's up to you. I'm going to go with WAV file. And then up here, it says export range. So that's completely up to you. In my case, I'm going to do session content, which means it's going to export these first, I think, around 10 seconds. But of course, you could do between loop, between session start or end marker if you have those. And then, of course, you could do between each marker, selected, etc. I'm going to go with session content over here. I'm going to see duration down here. I can adjust loudness as well if I want to, and of course set true peaks, max loudness, etc. And down here I also have the options where I can set different things, and when I'm done I can click on the OK button, and that way I've successfully bounced my song. So as you can see, it's now actually over here. It's going to open up the files automatically, and if I were to open it, it would play my song. That's how to do this. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.